The entire showerhead combo is constructed from high-quality metal, giving it a substantial feel and ensuring long-term durability without the risk of rusting or breaking. Its large 10-inch square showerhead provides excellent coverage, delivering a luxurious and relaxing rainfall-style shower experience. An included 11-inch extension arm and adjustable slide bar offer exceptional flexibility, allowing every family member to find their perfect shower height and angle. The handheld sprayer is attached to a flexible 60-inch metal hose, providing ample reach for rinsing or bathing children and pets with ease. A unique power wash mode on the handheld unit is perfect for quickly cleaning the tub and tiles, while the soft anti-clog nozzles on both heads are simple to wipe clean of mineral buildup. An ergonomically designed diverter switch makes it effortless to toggle between the rainfall head and the handheld sprayer, or even to run both simultaneously.